First and foremost, identify, then site determination, then the parts, then the clinicals. Can you tell what is this? If I said it was a heart,
No.
so it's clear ho gaya. What about site determination? How do you determine that this is right or this is right? How will you determine it? Nose. Acha, what if supposedly I'm hiding it? You can't see the nose. How can you tell? फिर कैसे पता चले? फाइलम का क्या पता लग रहा है? अच्छा, अगर इसको मैं गैरी कर देता हूँ like this, आप बताओ. Cardiac notch, lobes. There are other ways as well. Those included as well. Remember, the anterior border of the lung must be sharp like this, thin and sharp. Look at the posterior border. Look how broad it is. Idhar bhi dekhe. Look at the anterior border. Look how sharp that is, and look how broad the posterior is.
Okay.
ये आपको ऊपर देखिए ये apex है. This is the diaphragmatic surface, the inferior border, the costal surface, and the hilum must always face medially. चलो अगर मैं इसको ऐसे भी कर लेता हूँ, बट देखिए posterior border में ये sharp आ गया और इधर broad हो गया.
हाँ.
So we know that this is the right line. It should be like this.
Right.
और बाकी देखिए तीन lobes नजर आ गए. You have the oblique fissure and the horizontal fissure. What can we ask you on this? The impressions. Over here, around the hilum, this thing is the impression of the superior vena cava. And on this, you have the joining of the azygous vein. Azygous vein, superior vena cava. As you go further upwards, here you have the brachiocephalic vein. Remember the model? Superior vena cava, brachiocephalic vein. और वेन के पीछे कौन सी आर्टरी होती है? सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी. सबक्लेवियन, ब्रैकियोसेफेलिक से सबक्लेवियन भी आएगी, उसके पीछे है सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी. सो अजाइगस वेन, सुपीरियर वेना केवा, ब्रैकियोसेफेलिक वेन and subclavian vein. Over here you have the trachea and the esophagus. Esophagus, trachea, subclavian, brachycephalic, superior vena cava, azygous. Here in front is simply thymic tissue, fatty thymic tissue, because it's the anterior mediastinum tissue. Here you have the inferior vena cava, and this notch here, this cardiac impression here, is your impression for the right atrium. Left में कौन सा था? इधर भी cardiac notch है, but this is for the left ventricle. How about in the hilum? How do you know which is the bronchus, which is the vein and artery? Rule we usually follow, might be variation, but commonly, the bronchus will always be topmost in the right. It is known as the epiarterial bronchus. What does epiarterial mean? Epi above, artery. This is the epiarterial bronchus, and it is right above the pulmonary artery. Epiarterial bronchus, right above the pulmonary artery. The last two will be the pulmonary veins. Remember, veins will always be at the bottom. Two veins, one artery here, which may be double size or single size. Bronchus, artery, veins.
Okay.
What is this sheet covering the lung? Which pleura? This is your visceral pleura. Excellent. Same story. Anterior border, posterior border, inferior border, diaphragmatic surface, mediastinal surface, costal surface with costal impressions, one oblique fissure here. But here the impressions will be different. You won't have an opening of superior cava. You will have a arch of aorta impression and a descending aorta. Arch of aorta, descending aorta. But of course, up here you will have the same brachiocephalic vein, subclavian, trachea, esophagus. Esophagus, trachea, subclavian, brachiocephalic. But here arch of aorta and
Descending aorta.
Thymic tissue in front. Here you have the left ventricle impression. Cardiac notch also known as. Hilum, there's a difference. Here the artery takes its chance and he goes above the bronchus, and that is the only difference. Here the artery will be the topmost. जो आपको ये देखिए ये opening है, ये artery. उसके बाद फिर ये ब्रोंकस आ गया है, इसमें ऐसे दो बने हैं, और नीचे आपके दो आ जाते हैं जो इसमें ओनली एक नज़र आ रहा है, वेन. वेन विल ऑलवेज रिमेन एट द बॉटम. आर्टरी, ब्रोंकस एंड वेन. Artery, bronchus and vein. Just one small difference. This hilum is also covered with the visceral pleura. So what is this structure right here? What does lingula represent? It's your tongue. Tasting with your lung, you're tasting the breath. वो तो खैर आपका space between the wall and diaphragm होता है. this represents, the books कहती है कि this is once the third lobe of the left lung. इसमें 3 है, इसमें 2 है. This lingam probably represents a regressed third lobe. This is what the books say. With that, you are done with these 2 items. If you want, you can study this, or if you want, you can study the model over there. Now I'm going to go over to the boys and help them out.